Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make different types of math sign with this beautiful jigsaw puzzle game. These all are jigsaw puzzle beads. There are many colorful beads. Let's start the video. Here I am using green color beads to make plus sign. So let's see how to make the plus sign. Make one standing line and over another standing line. This is called plus sign. So what is this, kids? This is plus sign. Now I am using the orange color beads. Here I am making the multiply sign with this orange color beads. Let's follow me. Make one left side slanting line and over another right side slanting line. This is called multiply sign. So what is this, kids? This is called multiply sign. Now I am using the purple color beads to make minus sign. This is just a sleeping line. So what is this, kids? This is minus sign. Now I am using the light blue color beads to make divided sign. So how to make divided sign? Make a sleeping line and make two dots up and down of this line. So what is this, kids? This is called divided sign. Now I am using the pink color beads to make equal to sign. How to make equal to sign? Make two sleeping line. This is called equal to sign. So what is this, kids? This is equal to sign. Now I am using the yellow color beads to make percentage sign. How to make percentage sign? Make a left side slanting line and then make two dots up and down of this line. This is called percentage sign. These all are math sign. Let's learn how to remove all the beads. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.